Hey guys, welcome to my channel. You're gonna be in the intro. Da da. Oh, you're so cute, Kisami. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video of something that I've been wanting for a long time. The item I got was 50% off. So, you know what that means. I bought it and it's finally here. Here it is. It's my ring light. This came like 4 hours ago. And I've been waiting to film this. Get back. I just heard the door. Kisami, stand back. No, boy. Oh my God. Maya. Kisami. Maya, come help me. Kisami, get back in the house. I came to get my package and he walked out. Get back in, please. Kisami. He walked out here, right?
Get
in.
your behind in.
Kisami, get in. My ring light is here.
Boy, get in here.
My ring light is here. Get in the house. Get in.
Get your butt in.
He does. He'll be alright.
You'll be okay. I need to
It's finally here, guys. My ring light. It's my ring light. This is what I've been waiting for, y'all. This is one of the main things YouTubers need for good lighting. I've been waiting for this. I can't wait to open it up for you guys. And if you're looking for a ring light, I'm pretty sure this is the one you need because I've done my research. So let's get it open. I'm gonna try to get a good angle so you guys can see. So here it is, my ring light. Let's go ahead and get it open. I watched a couple videos on how to do it, but I wasn't really paying attention, so I'm gonna try to do this as fast as I can on my own. So I'm kind of in a rush. Gotta be somewhere in a little bit, so if I don't get all this set up right now, I'll finish it later. But it's gonna be all together for you guys, so. Let's get it open, y'all. It's such a big box. It came in this big box. Very, very big. Let me make sure I don't show my address. But let's just get it open. This is what comes inside. It's supposed to be like a black bag that says Neewer on it. The ring light brand I got is Neewer. They're supposed to be really good. So let's open it up. It's so big. Did I get the extra large? Make sure we put that in. Ooh! There it is, guys. Mom! Close that door. Oh, sorry, y'all. The blender is on. Here it is, y'all. The box. What? Y'all don't understand. This is exclusive. Like, woo! My picture's gonna be so cute. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. What if I wasn't recording? That's my biggest fear. I wasn't recording. We're gonna open this side. Ooh, I don't wanna mess something up here. Oh, this is a tripod. This is a stand. And, oh my gosh, here it is. There it is, y'all. All right, so it comes in a little travel bag, just in case you want to travel with it. This is so cute, y'all. So I'm gonna open it. So professional. Wow. Here it is. Ooh. Y'all, my picture's gonna be so cute. So these are the actual, oh my God. I almost broke something. So these are the actual lights on it. It's so pretty. And on the back there's settings. You can dim it, their power. Y'all, my video's finna look so good. So there's that. What else comes in the bag? I guess these are like the shades. They come with orange and white plastic things you can put over the lights for filters. And that's everything in the bag. So where are the instructions at? Oh yeah, these are the little shades. That's the white. This is like the main one. What time is it? Cause oh, Maya FaceTime me. She don't even know I'm filming. Maya, I'm filming a video. Look, I'm recording a video.
That's what I was saying.
I'm recording. Say hey.
Are you gonna come get me?
Say hey. Oh, she said hey, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna come get you. Get Vanessa. Y'all on video. And y'all interrupted.
Are you coming to get me?
Yes, I'll be there like 6:30.
You say yes. Okay, change your plans. Okay, so I want you to do 2 trips. So later.
Anyways, y'all, okay, before I get interrupted by them, let's see what else comes in here. So, I was doing my unboxing video before y'all interrupted.
Well, alright, we're gonna say if it rain.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, boy.
Alright. So, we have the instructions, the manual and stuff. I'll read those in a minute. And someone's entering the room. And oh, here's the other filter shade thingies. And I guess this is the plug, the main plug that goes in it. Oh, this is another plug that came with it. And these are some screws or whatever. My hair, y'all, don't mind my hair. It's a little frizzy and stuff. It came with this too. I forgot to get this out the box. It's a little button remote control thing. Yeah, there's one more thing in here. I don't know what this is, but we'll figure it out. And now let's put this thing together, y'all. Come with. Nice. Come on, guys. All right, guys. So I switched locations because this is a better setup. You can see me getting everything together. I'm gonna get this thing together and let's get straight into it. So here's the tripod. Okay, so what does this do? Wait, why are these like that? I'm confused.
Oh, you can go to YouTube. Sometimes it'll be on there.
But why are these like that? Do these go inside it? Oh, oh, okay. Why would they make that complicated though? All right. So, oh, look who came to join. Thank you, Tommy. All right, so loosen the screw on the middle pole. Extend the light stand to the height you want. Tighten the screws again. I did that already. Tommy. Oh, this. You throwing my stuff around.
Like all this is paper.
Oh my God, Mom, I like to keep the box.
I'm just putting the paper in.
Mama.
That way it keeps something.
I like to keep all my belongings. Yeah. That's as good as it's gonna get right now. So this is what I have right now. I got these on Mine is a little messed up, as you can see. I did that without reading the instructions, but I just want to get it on and see how it looks with the camera. You screw these so it can tighten on and it doesn't move anywhere, so when you put your, Alright, so now I'm gonna put my camera on this part and we'll see how it looks. This is so cute. Let me put my camera in it. Hold on. I gotta take my camera off the tripod. Let's screw y'all in this. Alright, y'all, this is it. Look at how beautiful this is. Y'all, this is it right here. If y'all ever get a chance to save up money for this, it's worth it. If you're trying to start a YouTube channel like me, it's worth it because it makes your videos look so much better. And this little light, this is, let me show you the light I was using before. This is the little thing I was using before. I mean, it did good. It got the job done, got me good lighting, but this is so much better. Like, it's so pretty, and the little circles in your eyes are so cute. I love it. But you saw me? It's so cute. You look so cute. Your nose running. Oh my gosh. There's a ring light, Kisami. He's trying to grab the camera. Don't mess it up, Cookie. Those that are looking for a ring light, I recommend this one. I'll put a link in the description, the exact one I bought, so it'll take you to the Amazon link. It's the 18-inch Neewer ring light, and it's definitely worth the price. I'm glad I got to get mine for a discount. Anything you want to say, Pookie? So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you like, because it lets me know that you want to see more videos from me. Leave video ideas down below. And thank you guys so much for watching this, and thank you for even clicking on this video. Really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you subscribe, and make sure you guys follow my Instagram if you're not already. And we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. All right, get down, Pookie.